is a very unusual sight. A dead giraffe inside a wildlife conservancy, and yet we are told that at least 11 of those have been found within months. And it is not just giraffes that are affected, it is all wildlife. There's no pasture, there's no water for them. This is the way of life here, pastoralism. Owning livestock is everything. It's a source of livelihood and wealth.
Ile ambayo imebaki ni kati. Sasa imemalizika na wangu. Ile ambayo imefungua pale hakuna pasture area. Olahan ilaahay baa shilisay soo baan hadana layna ilaahay oo maaday aad wax ka qaban kara mala
ay xanuun baan ahayn ay xoolaha haday intaan dadkii ku sugan yahay ay qatar buu ku sugan kole isaaqada ilaahay baa bixiya la qatar baa ku sugan
this juxtaposition in the weather forecast today. We've got a heat wave along the East Coast and a full-fledged winter storm across the Colorado Rockies, both of which are sandwiched in between the potential for severe weather across the nation's midsection. Let's first talk about the winter storm. This is across the Colorado Rockies. Winter storm warnings, including Denver. You see that shading of pink? You have the potential to exceed a foot of snow across this area. This is going to have major implications on the Denver metro area, but especially as you work your way towards the mountainous regions. Interstate 70, for instance, will be impacted. In fact, this could be one of the latest snowfalls on record in Denver. Wow, this is just incredible. The average latest snowfall is actually April 28th, so it's pretty remarkable to see snowfall this time of year in the first place.